Are you Ms. Parra?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Parra, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Not exactly, but
Well, no, I want to make sure you,
It's in your hand. Yes,
all right, I want to make sure you understand it. Is this document?
yes.
yeah, I understand it's paper with words on it, but I don't understand what the words mean on the paper exactly.
All right.
She doesn't understand what an indictment is, but she knows what she's pleading to.
All right. So instead of using the word indictment, do you understand what charges the state has brought against you?
Yes,
Okay. And did you review those charges with your attorney?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Sometimes I forget we can't use legal words. We shouldn't.
Thank you. Sorry about that.
Oh, no, there's no need for you to apologize. You wouldn't know indictment or these other words unless maybe you were an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's my fault for not speaking in layman's term.
Thank you.
All right. Did you review this document? It tells you what you're charged with and your rights. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you understand your charge? I'm sorry, counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Waive the reading.
And state, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right. So do you understand you're charged with tampering with evidence?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yeah.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow that plea. If for any reason I don't follow the plea that you've reached with the state and I give you more than what you agreed to, you can withdraw your plea. You understand?
Okay.
All right. Do you understand though?
Yes.
All right. Do you understand you have a right to jury trial?
Yeah.
You have a right for you or your attorney to question any witnesses the state would call. Do you understand?
Okay. Thank you.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. If there's something you don't understand, you need to let me know.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Did you understand you have a right to remain silent? That means that you don't have to testify if you don't want to testify.
This is the first time hearing about it, but okay.
That's the part I told you. You could go to sleep during your trial and she couldn't even ask you a question that you'd have to respond to. Right to remain silent. You're gonna waive that so you could say whatever in front of the judge. You
Oh,
understand now?
okay.
Remember? Yes?
All right.
Yes?
Yes.
All right. So let me explain it to you. So you're charged with tampering of evidence. If you were to go to trial, what would happen is there would be 12 jurors sitting over here, and those 12 people sitting over there would listen to whatever evidence the state would bring. So if the state were to call a witness, let's say they were to call someone named John. They would call John. The state would ask them questions. Your attorney, if he wanted to, could ask them questions. Do you understand?
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
All right. Now, after the state had presented and all of their evidence or called everybody that they wanted to call for me to hear from or from the people in the box to hear from, then what would end up happening is if you wanted to be called to have the state and your counsel ask questions of you, you could. But if you decided, no, I don't want to be called and I don't want to answer any questions, then you don't have to. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you understand that those were your rights? Right. And did you understand because you're entering this plea bargain agreement that you're giving up those rights?
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
You have to say yes instead of okay. You understand?
Not really, but okay.
All right. So here's the thing. I really don't. Is she competent?
She was until you started asking her some questions.
All right. So I don't feel comfortable continuing with this plea. If you want to talk to her some more and explain to her, and if she understands, then I will go forward. Okay.
Okay.
Have you ever been diagnosed with any mental health issues?
I have PTSD,
All right. Anything else?
anxiety, and depression.
All right. Anything else? Were those the only diagnosis you had?
That's it, that I know about.
All right. Have you ever seen a psychiatrist?
Yes, many times.
Okay. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to have a step back because I want to make sure that you know everything that you're agreeing to before you agree to it. And I'm going to have your attorney speak to you some more so we can find out. All right.
Okay,
All right. Miss Para.
yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's anything that you don't understand or you have a confusion about something, let me know. And there's no need to have any fear of letting me know that you don't understand something. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
See,
So where we left off, do you understand that if you want a jury trial, which would mean there would be 12 people sitting, hearing all of the evidence or witnesses, testimony. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you want a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
All right. Do you understand the rights that I've talked to you about?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you understand that by entering this plea bargain agreement, you are giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
All right. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your probation were revoked, then the court could sentence you up to 10 years in prison?
Yes, I understand.
All right. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
yes, she has, and we're pleading nolo contendere, Your Honor.
All right. Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does, and she has assisted me.
All right. Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe she was.
All right. Ms. Parra, has anyone threatened you or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the bargain that you have with the state?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. According to that, there's a $1,500 fine. The state is asking that I grant your application for deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration County Court Cause number 734347. There's going to be restitution, money you have to pay for any damages, and 734347 to the Bexar County Sheriff's Office. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Defense, is that the agreement?
That's our agreement. We're pleading nolo contendere, and I explained to her that $750 restitution, if she has it and she's working within those 2 years, she has to pay it.
All right. State, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney?
That's the one where if she
The one where I signed it
sends,
twice?
yes, you signed it twice. There
Okay,
you
yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you understand by signing that you will not be able to appeal this case unless there have been pretrial motions that your attorney has filed or you have filed, and that I've heard those and made a decision about those? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Have there been any such
There has
motion?
been no motions filed, Your Honor.
All right. Outside the agreement, the state is asking that you be placed on 2 years deferred adjudication, and there be 120 hours of community service restitution, which is volunteer work, and that there be a TAP evaluation, and that's to see if you have any drug issues. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So that's what they're recommending. I don't have to do that. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense as charged, what plea are you entering?
No contest.
All right. State, do you have any evidence to support her plea?
Contained in Exhibit 1 and attachments, Your Honor.
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review this document?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And state, you may be excused.
Your Honor.
And did you understand that that document has police reports? So instead of calling witnesses, the state is just giving me things that they've said, and it's in this document. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you understand that you can make the state and tell the state, hey, I want you to bring somebody in, a witness or a person, to say what happened. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. But because you're entering this plea bargain agreement, they're not going to bring that person. Do you understand?
Okay, thanks. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Sorry. Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. No problem. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, what is the charge in clause number 734347?
The county court case,
Yes.
that's malicious mischief, breaking squad car light.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, because I don't have that in this police report.
Right, that's what we're gonna take into consideration, but
All right.
I'm gonna run to county court 5.
All right. Court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court is not going to find you guilty. The court will defer that because you've applied for deferred adjudication. I'm going to place you on deferred adjudication.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Do you have any children?
Yes,
What are their ages?
5, 8, and 11.
All right. And who are they residing with? Where are they living?
I gave them up for adoption.
Okay.
I have requested that she apply for Haven for Hope, and I'm also need to tell the probation department to make sure that they write down the address and the directions to any meetings for probation. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you will then refer every time. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. This is what the court will do. There is to be a $1,500 fine. The court will probate that.
Thank you.
Take in consideration 734347. There's to be restitution in 73437 to the Bear County Sheriff's Office. 3 years deferred adjudication. I want a referral to felony drug court. That's to be in custody. They do have a dual diagnosis program, so they'll be able to help her with housing and
Okay,
everything else. I don't want her released and she's homeless and she has no place to go.
you understand? You're gonna
Okay,
be working with another government entity, drug unit, to find you a place to live.
okay.
There's going to be proof of employment. There's to be proof of employment or SSI within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And probation is, yes?
I'm sorry.
Okay, if she's not accepted into felony drug court, we'll do a TAP evaluation in custody and follow TAP recommendations.
Thank you.
And there should be no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, I'm unsure about the 120 hours of community service restitution. I don't know if she's able to do that. If for some reason she's unable to do that due to mental health, just let the court know. So there'll be 120 hours of community supervision. There's to be a MIC evaluation, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, and regular random UAs. And I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month until she has a case manager or is in felony drug court. And if for some reason felony drug court doesn't accept her, or if MIC says that she's not eligible for the program, then I'm going to want a referral for her to the Center for Healthcare Services.
Okay, Jessica.
There's a lot of help coming your way.
Probation, Is there anything else she needs? All right, is there anything else you need with help from the court?
Not that I could think of at the second.
I'm sorry?
Not that I could think of at the second.
All right. Did you review this document with your attorney?
Yes,
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. If you need anything or you feel there's no one to talk to, you can always come back to the court, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.